natin sa ibang link.
Ibang istasyon pwede rin. Oo. Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
What's your name again, sir?
Ernel. I'm Ernel.
Ernel. Ay, siya si Sir Ernel yung nag-comment doon sa Facebook.
Ang gwapo pala ni Sir, no?
Oo, nakakaloka. Diba?
He looks teenager.
He looks teenager na. If you don't mind, sir, how young are you?
33.
33. Do you
Happily
think,
married?
Of course.
Oh, di ba?
do you think age is nagmamatter pagdating sa relationship?
No, it doesn't. Kasi ako, wife ko is 41. I'm 33.
Oh.
33 plus. Ilan ni 9 years?
Mahina kami sa math. Huwag mo kami ginaganyan-ganyan. Oo.
9 years.
Sir Jello?
Diba?
33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Oh, diba? Basta ganun.
8 lang.
Oo.
Ikaw talaga.
Sorry.
Ay,
Ilan na po
sino yung sa 9?
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Sino yung 9 years?
Other
Joke lang yun.
Talaga, sir, ha?
Ilan na po ang
8 years.
kids niyo, sir?
Isa pa po. Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Parang balik-balik na lang mga sinasabi ni Sir ngayon. Isa pa po. Oo, di ba? Parang
Pressure, sir.
kinakabahan siya.
Para ko nasa hot seat.
Oo.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, sir.
Isipin mo na lang, kami ang asawa mo. Ngayon,
Correct.
oras na ito. Nag-usap lang tayo.
Yes. Kami ang konsensya mo.
Ako sa right ha, siya sa left.
Yes. Siya sa middle.
Happy
Siya yung main
Happy
conscience.
wives. Happy
Oo.
wives.
Happy wives, oo.
So ano meron dyan, sir? Balitaan nyo naman po kami. Ano bang...
Itong event na to, sir, it's brought to you by Ocampos and presented by Treetop Adventure, The Happy Wife, Happy Life. It's being, our speaker is Chinkitan. He's, para dun sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Chinkitan, he's a wealth coach, motivational speaker, with the likes of Francis Kong. So, si Sir Chinkitan kasi, goal niya is really to educate Filipinos, not just financially, but of course, sa relationship. And blessed tayo dito sa Olongapo na nabook natin siya for this event. So, imagine natin sa ibang events, like kunento ko kay Sir Jello kanina, yung seminar niya, sa Manila pa to would cost around 2,800. Isang tao.
Oh.
Yes, ganun po sila kamahal. And imagine mo, dito sa Olongapo, nababaan natin as 400 pesos with dinner. So,
I see.
it's an opportunity for all the wives and all the future wives and for all the husbands na talagang sasabihin ko sa inyo, beneficiary po kami dito. So, my relationship with my wife ngayon, kaya kami ganito, is because we are being mentored by Chinky.
Very good.
Yeah. Bongga yan. Alam mo, yan ang kailangan, di ba? Minsan.
Yan ang kailangan ng pamilya kasi yun ang center talaga ng isang community, yung pamilya.
Oo. Saan po pa uukol lang usapan dito pagdating sa seminar ng Happy Wife and Happy Life?
More po yung pag-uusapan nito, more on finances. Sino yung head of the family? Kasi alam natin lagi.
Sino bang hawak ng pera?
Yes,
Ganon.
kasi pwedeng, ang alam natin, yes, the guy would be the head of the family. Pero, kung hindi naman marunong humawak ng pera si lalaki,
Correct.
butas lagi ang bulsa, sayang din ho yun.
Ganun ba yun? Akala ko babae ang umahawak ng pera, si lalaki nagtatrabaho tapos ibibigay kay babae, so siya nagbabudget.
Paano kung si babae din malakas gumastos?
O sa akin na lang ibigay, ako na bahala. Diba? Ay, ganun ba talaga yun?
Depende po.
Depende yun.
Depende siya kasi dito natin malalaman kasi with this seminar kung ano ba yung strengths, parang SWOT analysis, strength, weaknesses,
Opportunities.
opportunities. Doon natin makikita. And of course, kung ang company nga, sa isang kumpanya, isang corporation, merong planning, strategic planning,
Yes.
merong mga
Especially sa
goals.
marketing.
Exactly. We should treat our marriage as like a corporation na merong CEO, merong CFO, tapos may planning kayo.
Na konektado.
Exactly.
Correct.
Kasi normally, pag like ako, lumaki ako na pag mag-asawa, parang okay na yan, asawa na yan, okay na. Tatay ko yan, bigyan lang ng pera, okay na. Pero it doesn't end there. Sobrang laki po ng scope ng marriage na kailangan hong pag-usapan. And communication is a very important role, plays a very important role sa relationship, and isa din po yung itatakal dito yung...
Yes. Communication. Actually, talagang kailangan i-manage ang relationship, and communication is very important because kung may hindi kayo pagkakaintindihan, and then sa isang tabi ka na lang, di paano ma-resolve ang mga issues, right?
Correct. So sad si wife.
Tipo, saan si wife? Oh my gosh. Buti na lang
Bukod
hindi
po
ako
sa
wife.
bukod po sa
financial, ano pa po mga...
Yan, sabi ko.
Communication, Jay, tsaka sa management ng relationship. Ganon. Mostly ikot yung usapan. And now, do you have any figure kung ilan ng mga couples ngayon na hindi masyado nagkakaintindihan, ganyan, because of the finances, ganyan, because of lack of communication?
Sa couples, walang figure. Pero this is alarming, yung sa anak. Kasi it reflects to our children.
Yes.
So, yung bata na pariwara na nakikita natin sa kalye, na alam natin ayaw nila, hindi dapat sila ganun. But because of lack of parenting, absentee parenting, nagkakaroon po sila ng nalilink sila with other barkadas na
Yes.
Oo, bad influence sa kanila. Correct.
Instead of the family or parents ang mag-communicate sa kanila ng mga tamang gawin, nakukuha nila yun sa barkada nila.
Exactly. And
Oh my gosh.
yung
How
let's say,
sad.
pag nagkukwentuhan, lahat naman tayo, naghahanap tayo ng love and acceptance.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm so
Kayo sir, matanong ko
for
kayo,
love.
nung wala pa kayong wife, kayo din ba ay, kaya ganyan, meron kayong pinaghuhugutan kasi galing din kayo dyan?
Galing ako sa broken family.
See,
Yun.
there you go. You know what? Kapag hindi
I
naman...
can't see kaya.
Close your eyes. There you go, diba? It doesn't mean na if you're from a broken family, that you cannot have a magandang buhay.
Yes, exactly.
Diba? It is still up to you on how are you going to use that weaknesses na pamilya mo before.
Tubig.
Para maging maganda ang buhay mo at the present.
Kayo talaga nakaka-high blood kayo. Sino ba nag-browse up ng tanong na yan? Kaano eh.
Also, sir, paano po yung ninyo? Paano nyo na-manage yung ganung situation?
Yes, oo.
Of course, yung prayer, it works. Alam natin, prayers talaga. And of course, with God's help, yung dasal sa Diyos, nakakatulong. And yung surroundings, na nakikita ko na sino yung dapat samahan ko, sino yung dapat hindi ko samahan, malaking bagay din po yun eh. I was unfortunate not to have a dad in the house.
Ay, pareho tayo.
Oh, but I was fortunate enough naman that the love of a dad and a mom, binigay lahat ng magulang ko sa akin. So, yung acceptance and love, yung sabi ko po sa inyo kanina, hindi ko hinahanap sa labas. Kasi, sa bahay pa lang, puno na ako ng pagmamahal and acceptance, and I can be who I am sa loob ng bahay.
True.
Diba?
Totoo yan, Jay.
Oo nga.
That makes you sapul-sapul
Oo
talaga.
nga. Kaya nga, I'm so speechless.
Hindi na so true, di ba? Di ba yung mga kabataan ngayon na gusto ko ng boyfriend, gusto ko ng
Boyfriend
girlfriend,
agad? Girlfriend agad? Oo,
Gusto
sige.
ko maraming kaibigan kasi hindi ko nakikita yung pagmamahal, yung attention na
Sa
dapat nakukuha ko
bahay.
sa pamilya ko, sa bahay namin.
Kaya yung mga bata ngayon, napupunta sila sa mga tropa nila kasi doon nila na-express yung mga sarili nila.
Tama.
Katulad nito,
Anong pangalan yung tinuturo mo?
si Sir Jello.
Sir Jello, I am but a fool.
Do you agree with that? That you're looking for love and attention from others because you can't get that in your own family?
In English, please.
English yun. Di ba? Totoo yun.
Yes, totoo yun.
Oo, kaya naman mag-attend ka ng seminar na to.
Oh, yeah, mag-attend ka niya.
Siyempre,
Para sa'yo
especially
yan.
ikaw, sasama ka din.
Ayan na! Kala mo, Jeps, ha?
Dapat kayo din, sasama din kayo.
Bakit pati ako nananahimik ako sa bahay?
Kaya nga tahimik ka lang doon. Dapat nakikinig ka kay Chinky.
Hindi talaga ako. Huwag niyo lang isama yung asawa niya doon.
So again, thank you, sir. Oo, may mga additional information pa po kayo, sir?
Sige po, sir. Yung tickets po kasi,
yes.
pwede nating mabili through Campus Mall, sa Triangle, Grand Harbor Hotel, sa Acme Inn, PCBS,
Philippine Christian Bookstore.
and
Correct.
sa Lighthouse Marina Resort.
Lighthouse Marina. Alright.
How much, magkano po ang
ticket
ticket?
price?
The good thing is, yung regular rate niya, 500. But if we buy now hanggang January 20,
January
400 pesos lang po siya.
Oh, the regular rate is, I think
500.
it's 500 per person. But now, if you're going to buy the tickets as early as now, mga kaibigan, until January 20, you'll get the ticket for only
400 pesos.
That includes...
Light dinner.
Kakain kayo ng lights?
Alam mo yan. Ano ka ba yung so funny?
Mga bumbilya, gano'n?
Lights dinner. Ano ka ba?
Light dinner. Hindi nila anong lights dinner. Light lang. Light dinner. Kumbaga maganda.
Oo nga.
Siyempre, it's very important na light dinner lang because kapag kakain ka ng marami, ano bang kasunod niya? Naantukin ka na, di ba? So, hindi ka na makikinig ng mga
Correct.
sketchy.
Punta ka ng CR.
kay Chinky. So,
Correct.
better yet, buy the ticket right now
And?
and have that light dinner.
Correct.
On February 6th. And while you are listening to kay Chinky Tan on the Happy Wife, Happy Life seminar for couples.
Yan,
Right.
correct.
Do you have any additional
Any more, sir?
information, Jello?
Go ahead.
Meron.
Sige lang, sir.
Sige,
Sige
sir,
lang.
go push.
Para doon naman sa Magaten, meron tayong parang treat raffle. We'll be raffling overnight stay for 2 sa Lighthouse Marina Resort.
I need to attend.
O yan na. Sabi ko na eh.
Imagine mo,
Oo.
for 400 or 500 pesos, kaya mong pwede kang manalo.
Diba? Ito pa, maganda yung sa couple na makakakuha ng prize na yun sa raffle that they will be able to talk about what happened during the seminar.
Yes.
And how are they going to start again or to be better yung maging yung relationship nila. Diba? That's so good, sir.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, nag-seminar ka na doon. Ngayon pagpasok mo ngayon nung ano, yung hotel na yon?
Sa ano?
Lighthouse, di ba?
Subic Grand Harbor Hotel.
Oh, di ba?
Sila din, magpaparaffle din ng overnight stay si Grand Harbor Hotel.
Oh.
And then our
dami
very
naman.
good friends from Ocampos.
Paparafol ng
bibigay din.
isang branch na
O
Ocampo.
parang ganon, oo. Sa Sambales naman. Diba?
Correct.
O ano mo yung mga information, yung mga text and numbers, yung mga ganon?
Yes, sir. Kasi may mga
Oo.
gusto bumili ng ticket or through text or call, ganyan.
Sige, so I would like to promote Happy Wife, Happy Life this February 6 by Mr. Chinky Tan sa Subic Grand Harbor Hotel po siya. 6 to 9 p.m. Ticket price are priced at 400 pesos for early birds and 500 for the regular rates. We would like to thank, syempre, of course, Ocampos, Treetop Adventure, Servant Ads, Lighthouse Marina Resort, Freeport Cable. Okay lang.
Yes,
Sige na,
sure.
sir.
Wala nga kaming cable. Sana sabi mo
Correct.
yan.
Oo. Tsaka wala kaming pakialam.
Wala kaming issue dun sa mga ganyan.
Oo, wala
dito,
kaming issue
sir.
sa ganyan.
Basta bigyan kami ng cable.
This is a free radio station.
Yes, sir.
Kongs, Ricos, and Acme Inn.
Yes,
Yan.
sir. Meron important question, sir. Since
Correct.
that Happy Wife and Happy Life is actually a seminar for couples. So when we say couple, hindi lang siya nagtatapos sa male and female couples.
May nagtatanong dito ng ganon. How about kung both male?
Wala naman problema.
Walang problema. Oh, very good.
So there you go.
Oh.
Mga friends, come
Diba?
on.
Walang
let's
discretion.
listen.
Walang
discretion.
Ano tawag doon?
Discrimination.
At least malapit na. Si Sir Kim mo kasi. Nako-conscious ako.
Yes, sir. Number, sir.
Yes, for more info and for ticket inquiries, you can call or punta sa Ocampos kay Sir Jello. And you can text at 0917-580-5185. And ang number ni Sir Jello is...
Do you know your number?
I-text nyo na lang po si Jeps.
So, thank you.
Oh, thank you, Sir Ernel, talaga.
Bago natin sila pakawalan, kaibigan Jeps, they have to sing the jingle of Ocampos Mall.
You know what? This has been very, very long time na ginagawa sa radio.
Correct! At ganito yun, sir. In 3, 2, 1. Ocampos Mall is for the whole family. Tin, 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 tin. Kaya nyo yun, sir?
Alright, since Sir Ernel's Planada of Happy Wife and Happy Life
Yes.
Seminar and Sir Jello of Marketing in Ocampos
Kaya natin
here
to.
Kaya
are
na yan,
here.
oo.
We're gonna sing the Ocampos
Correct.
jingle.
Kailangan po higitan po nyo yung paggawa namin ng jingle na ganda.
Oo, ganun na. Alam niyo na, sir.
Higitan po ninyo yun.
So push tayo. Ocampos
Sing.
Mall is
For the whole family. Tin, 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 tin.
That's the most important part of the jingle.
Yes, the tin, 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 tin.
tin.
Correct, correct.
Yes, there.
That makes the world go round.
Oh, come on.
Matanggap pa
It is
yung voice.
recorded. It is recorded, mga kaibigan. So, there you go. Hindi lang sila basta nagpapa-contest, sila din ginagawa din nila.
Correct.
Sir Kim, hapa na sa sasakyan, kinakanta yan.
Naman. Baka pala sa CR yan.
Pati yung kuya ni Sir Kim,
Kinakanta,
yung daddy ni
oo.
Sir Kim, kinakanta yan.
Kinakanta yan. Lahat sila.
Lahat sila sa Ocampos.
Oo. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Ocampos Mall is for the whole family. Ten, 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 ten.
Okay naman.
Okay naman. No,
okay naman sila.
Actually, hindi naman sila nagsabay-sabay sa nota, pero okay pa
Pero all
rin.
in all, maganda naman ang
Yes,
dating.
yes, maganda ang
Maganda ang
dating.
register, ang pag-register. Oo, maraming salamat, Sir Ernel.
Thank you so much.
Again, we are inviting you Happy Wife and Happy Life, a seminar for couples on February 6, 2015, Friday, 6 to 9 p.m. with Mr. Chinky Tan, the famous wealth and life coach at the Civic Grand Harbor Hotel, Boardwalk, Civic Bay Freeport Zone. Tickets, regular rate is 500 400 pesos per person. But if you're gonna buy your ticket as early as now until January 2015, you'll get the tickets for only 400 pesos, includes light dinner. Ayan, with raffle of overnight stay sa mga hotels na connected. Do you have any more greetings, Coco?
Okay, I would like to say hi to Ma'am Cecil of Nike Petron, AKT members, 90s dancers, Cakes by Honey, Ocampo Shoppers, and Pet Bear Family.
Nanghalian na ba yan?
Ewan ko ba? Pinapakain mo ba to, Sir Kino?
Nanghalian na ba yan?
Pinapakain niyo ba to?
Ba't parang walang hangin yung katawan niyan?
Sige, maraming salamat, Sir Jello.
Thank you so
and,
much.
Sir Ernel.
Sir Ernel, thank you so much. Ayan.
Again that seminar, mga kaibigan, is hindi lang para sa pang-girl at boy na
lahat ng couples. Lahat ng couples. Correct.
Diba? Let's attend sa seminar na yun. It's very helpful.
Yes. Samantala mga kaibigan, sandali muna. Kailangan muna namin gawin ito. Magbabalik ang Bay Request Express.
For the best music mix that keeps you riveted to your radio. This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, jointly owned and operated by the national government and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. This is where you find news and entertainment with a wide variety of music. 89.5 FM, My Subic Bay Radio. Subic Bay Freeport Sound. Subic Bay. Visit Subic Bay Freeport Zone.
A special message from
89.5
My
Subic Bay Radio
Worldwide.
and Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority.
Get that dream vacation you've always dreamed of at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel. Affordable room rates with free breakfast. Wide array of international cuisine prepared by world-class chefs. Panoramic seafront view, beautiful swimming pool, friendly and professional staff. Water sports activities like jet ski, parasailing, scuba diving, and a whole lot more. You name it, we have it. All at Shiban Seafront Resort and Hotel. Shiban Seafront Resort and Hotel.
I'm sitting on a darker bay, wasting time.
Now open at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel, Dock of the Bay Restaurant and Pirate Bar. Satisfy your love for white and red wines perfectly prepared just for you. Enjoy the scenic view of the beachfront at the Pirate Bar and Grill. Your favorite ice-cold beer, delicious zesty barbecue, make your own salad. Plus, Dock of the Bay has its own ice cream bar. All at Shivan Seafront Resort and Hotel, number 13 Baloy, Long Beach, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City.
Check out the newest party place, Subiza Music Lounge at Shiban Seafront Resort and Hotel. Now open. Daily live bands with today's best DJs. Eat, drink, socialize. Open daily, 9 p.m. onwards. See you there.
Planning to go on a trip? Is it a solo trip with someone special, with friends, or perhaps the whole family? Or maybe you just need to accompany a loved one from or to the airport. Icons Rent-A-Car, your cheapest way to any destination, back and forth. Icons Rent-A-Car for all your transportation needs. Vans, Vios, Innova, and many more. Visit Icons Rent-A-Car at room 154, Rizal Avenue, East Tapinac, Olongapo City, or text call 0920-950-8243. Icons Rent-A-Car. Icons Rent-A-Car. Powered by Telepreneur Corporation. Avail our ongoing promo of 10 plus 1 on all vehicle rentals. Usapang medical ba ka mo? O baka naman libreng konsultasyon sa doktor ang iyong hinahanap? Aba, edi dito ka na sa bagong programa ng 89.5 FM My Subic Bay Radio. Kasama ang Doktor ng Bayan. Konsulta pang Medicina with Dr. Husay Laksamana every Thursday, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Isang oras ng libreng pagkonsulta live on air tuwing Huwebes mula alas 9 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Konsulta pang Medicina. Konsulta pang Medicina. Starring Dr. Noel Husay Laksamana with special guest doctors every week specializing in pediatrics, OB-GYN, ophthalmology, general surgery, internal medicine, cardiology, dentistry, orthopedics, and many, many more. Libreng konsulta Medicina tuwing Huwebes ng umaga. Konsulta pang Medicina. Presented to you by Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center. Full hospital services with affordable, top-of-the-line facilities, laboratories, and rooms. Complete with state-of-the-art equipment. Avail of our special hospital packages such as executive checkup, OB package, HMO or company packages. We also accept insurance. Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center is located at number 2 National Highway, Barrio Barreto, Olongapo City. For more information, call our landline number 047-306-5250 or text our cell phone number 0928-820-8191.
Online, on the air, or on your mobile device.
Take the best music variety with you wherever you go. I listen all day. Check us out online, where the music is 24/7.
Stream them online.
Stream them online.
Stream them online.
Search on Google
Or Yahoo.
89.5 Subic Bay.
89.5 Subic Bay.
Say, are we friends on Facebook? Like us on Facebook. And we'll like you back.
This is going on Facebook. Smile.
Connect with us online. Check them on Facebook.
Facebook.com/895 Subic Bay.
Hello.
Your song played now.
Give me a song.
Subic Bay Radio.
Today's best music.
89.5.
89.55.